Hi everyone, welcome to Trade and Tribe. In this video, we will know how a professional trader always win in the stock market. Apart from all other rules, you will have one is risk reward ratio and another is the probability of win and the probability of lose. In this example, I have taken a stock which is in the uptrend. When a stock is in the uptrend, it will always move in the waveform going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up and coming down. Now we are here. We have decided since the stock is in uptrend, we are going to buy this stock. When we are here, the professional trader will say what is the probability of this stock going upside or going downside. In this example, we have taken the probability of going up is 60% and the probability of going down is 40%. And also, the professional trader will say what is risk reward ratio. When the stock is going up, what is the target profit? That is 2 rupees here taken. When he is going to downside and hit the stop loss, how much he is going to lose? That is rupees 1. For risking 1 rupee, he is getting 2 rupees of the profit. This is called risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2. I can risk 1 rupee to get 2 rupees. This is the meaning of risk reward ratio. These professional traders always follow these rules meticulously. That is why always they are the winner in the stock market. Now coming to this example. For example, he will run 100 trades. Out of 100 trades, his winning probability is 60%. That means he will win 60 times and gain 2 rupees of the profit. So total he is getting 120 rupees. When the stock is coming down and hitting the stop loss, his probability is 40%. 40 times he is going to lose. At 1 rupee, it is 40 rupees. Now see the magic of the net of this one. 120 minus 40 is 80. This is the secret of a professional trader win in the stock market, 80 rupees per share. If you want to learn more about the stock market, please contact 96-866-85157. We are conducting weekend workshops. Thank you.